Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today, we will discuss about the selection sort. So let's start. So first, we will declare our array elements. Then we put the array elements. We put the 21, 60, 32, 1, 41, then 34, then 5, then semicolon. Then we say the out selection sort before. Then we will use the each loop to display our array elements here. I as I. I. So let's try to run. So selection sort before is 21, 50, 32, 1, 41. So then we will add a space here for the next. Then we will call the selection sort selection sort. Create a selection sort void select on sort sort. Then in the parameter of an index r. Okay. Then we will create a outer loop if I for 0, then I is less than r dot length minus 1. So the r dot length here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and minus 1. Then I increment. Then we'll create a variable index here to keep track the value of I. And for inner loop will declare the inner loop declare the variable j equals to I plus 1. Then the j is r dot length. Then increment j, and we will create a condition here to determine the minimum value. J is an index if the condition here will true, proceed sa index, will proceed to index, then equals to j. So that's in the inner loop. Then the outer loop, we create a variable smaller number to keep track the smallest value. Then index ri and ri. equals to lower number. So we will display the value of the sorted array elements here. So here we'll use for each loop again to display the element. So let's try to display. So here it's sorted. So let's explain how selection sort works. So we should for this code. So let's start. So int I equal 0. So first we proceed to the outer loop. Int I equals 0, then 0 is less than 2, or that length minus 1. So 6, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so minus 1, 6. And proceed to index. So the value of index here is index equals to I. The purpose of this to track the value of the I. So let's proceed to the inner loop. Int j equals to I plus 1, so 0 plus 1. So the value of j is 1. Then j 1 is less than 2 r dot length, so 7. So true, proceed to the if condition. If r j, so the value of j is 1, is less than 2, r index, which is 0, the value of r index 0 is 21, and the value of r index 1 is 60. So is r index 1 is less than 2, r index 0, so false. So increment the j, so 1 plus 1, and the value of j is 2, 2 is less than 7, true. Then update the value of the rj, 2, the value of r index 2 is 32, so false again. Then increment the j equals 1, then 3, and 3 is less than 7, so true. And update the rj here. So r index 3, the value of r index 3 is 0, 1, so true. So the condition here is not true. So the index here will change to the j. So the j value is 3. So increment the loop again. So for inner loop, increment the inner loop. So increment the j. So 4 is less than 7. So update the 4. The value of 4 is 41. Then our index now is 3, which is 0, 1. So false. So increment the j again. So r plus 1, 5, j equals 5. 5 is less than 7. So update the value of the j, our index j. So 5 is 34. 34. So false again. And update the increment the j again. So plus 1 to 6. So 6 is less than 7. So true. Proceed in the if. Then also 6, the value, the element in array index 6 is 5, so false. Then increment the j again, 7. 7 is less than 7, so false. Then 7 false. Also, declaration of the variable smaller number to pick up the smaller number. Here is the to keep track the minimum value, smaller number, or same, and smaller number equals to R index. So which R index is 3, index 3, which have the value of 0, 1, then R index 3 will become to R index 0, then R I equals to smaller number is 0, 1. So the first swap will happen here. So the value of our array now is 0, 1, 60, 60, 32, 21, 41, 34, then 5. Then let's proceed again. So proceed again to the outer loop. So let's increment the I. So the value of I now is 1. So I now is 1. This one is less than 6, so true. Then the value of I here equals to 1. Then int j here equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Then 2 is less than 7, so true. Then our rj equals to 2. Then the value of index r2 is 32. Then our r index 1 value is 60. So is 32 is less than 260, so true. The condition is true. So let's update the index. So our index will become 2. And x2, then increment the j plus 1, 3, become to 3, then 3 is less than 7. So true, the value of our index 3 is 21. Then our index 1 is update na 2. The value of our index 2 is 32. So is 21 is less than 32, so true. Then let's update. So the index here will become 3. Then increment the j. So 4. 4 is less than 7. So true. The value of our index 4, 41. Then our index 3, let's update here 3. Our index here is 21. So is 41 less than 21, so false. So increment the j again. So 5. and R index 5, R index 5, array index 5, 41, R index 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 34. Then is 34 is less than 221, so false, so implement the day again. So 6 is less than 7, so true. Is 6, the value is 5. 5 is 5 is less than 221, so true. Update the index, so we come to 6. Then increment the j, so false. And let's update the smaller value. So smaller number equals to R index 6, and the value is 5, and R index 6 will become to R index I, so which is 1. So smaller number will become R index 1. So the value of R index 6 will become to the R index 1. So stop. Whoop. Outer loop again. So let's increment the I. So I now equals to 2. 2 is less than to 6, so true. Proceed to here. So 2. Let's update the index, so equals to 2. Then let's proceed to the inner loop. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then the value 3 is less than to 7. So 3, then the index is 2. And the value of our index 2 is 32. And the value of our index 3 is 21. So is 21 less than to 32? So true. So let's update the index. So increment the I increment the j. So j equals to 4, and 4 is less than to 7. Or we come to our index 4. 4 value is 41. Then our index 3, its value is 21. Is 41 is less than to 21, so false. So increment the j. 5. 5 is less than to 7, so the value of 5 is, the R index element in 5 is 34. So 34 is less than to 21, so false. So increment the j again. Is 6 less than to 7, true. Update here. Is 6 less than to 31, so false. False, so increment the j again, so 7. So 7 less than 7, false. Then let's update here, this part. So smaller number equals to index 3. Value is 21. And our index is 3. And becomes Ri, which is the value of I is 2. And Ri 2 is equals to smaller number, so she is 1. So the updated is the update is 0, 0, 1, 5, 32, 5, 1, 5, 21, 32, 34, 31, 31, 21, 32, 34, 34, and 41, 34, 60. So this, so the are not sorted pa. So not sorted, the elements in array is not sorted. So proceed. So back in the outer loop again. So 3, increment the I. So 3 is less than 6. So true, then update the index. Then J is 3 plus 1 because the value of I is 3 plus, then 4 is 4 less than to 7. So true, then 4, 4. The array index 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then our index is 3. So 3. So 32. So 32. So is R 41 less than to 32? So false. Delete the ij. So 5 is less than to 7. So 5 true. 5 is less than to 7. So update. 54. So false again. Increment the j. So false. False. And 6. 6. So index 6 is our index 6 is 60. Is 60 is a less than to 32. So false. 3. So same result. So result. So 3. Index 3. And smaller number index 3. Index 3 is 32. 32. Index 3 plus R2. Index is 3. And Ri is 3. Smaller number. So same result. Feed again to the outer loop. So increment the I. 4. 4 is less than to 6. So update the index. 4. And 4 plus 1 plus 5. 5 is less than to 7. True. So 5. The value of our index 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 4. Then the 4 value of the elements in our index 4 is 41. So let's update. So 34 is less than to 41. So true. It will become the our index is the j will become to 5. Index is equals to j. So 5. And let's implement 6. 6 is equal to 7 to 6. The value of element in array 6 is so the value of array index 6 is 60, the element 60, then let's update. The index will become to 5. So 34, 60 is less than the 34, false. Then increment the day, 7. 7 is less than 7, so false na, false. Then update here. So the smaller number equals to array index 5 elements is 34. Then array index will become 4. Then Ri is 4. Our index is 5. And R5 is also R4. And Ri4 equals to smaller number. So the next result is next result is 0, 1, 5, 21, 32, 34, 41, 60. So the element is sorted. But the program will continue this until the outer loop equals to false. So that's all. Thank you. So please